No, it's just, it's nerve-wracking. I'm like, oh my God, okay. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today we are back with day 2 of April 2018 Box Week. Really quick, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, hello, welcome. My name is Drew, and you are catching us during the very best, most fun week every single month on my YouTube channel. Box Week is the best week every single month. It is the one week that me and my subscribers spend 7 consecutive days together. Yes, there's a brand new video every single day for 1 week straight. You're catching us on day 2, so you are joining us right in the beginning. So if you want to be in the Just Like Drew crew and you're not, click the red subscribe button down below and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. Okay, so tonight we're opening a box that has been like this on my channel. Like, it's one of those where it's like, I want to cancel it, I want to keep it, I don't know what I want to do. It is a $15 per month box, and I'm talking about the Macy's Beauty Box. Macy's started a subscription service last year over the end of summer, and it's 15 bucks per month. Some months it's been like amazing, like knocked out of the park, and other months we're like, so, really quick to recap our giveaway box. If you're like, what's giveaway box? So, I started this a couple months ago where we actually are doing a stockpile giveaway during Box Week. And basically, I get so many subscription boxes. I get tons of stuff. Some of it I can use, some of it I'm never going to get to. And I decided to, instead of keeping all of this just for myself, I'm going to start giving it away. So, we created a stockpile box. Last night, we opened Boxy Charm, and we added a full-size eyeshadow palette, a full-size liquid lipstick, and a tinted brow gel. That was just from the first night. I feel like this month we're going to fill up this box. And really quick, I want to say this before I start opening the Macy's box. So I had a ton of comments on yesterday's video about how you're like, well, how would I know if I won the giveaway last month? Because I said that I had to draw a new winner for the giveaway. So this is how it works for giveaways on my channel. I've done this before. This is how the easiest way for me to do it. I will, if you win the giveaway, I will respond directly to your comment on the giveaway video on YouTube. That's why I actually don't respond to the video comments on the giveaway video, because I don't want you to get the notification, get excited, and be like, oh, why did she respond to my comment? So on the giveaway video, I will directly respond to your comment. I will tell you, you have 48 hours from the time that I comment to you to respond. I also take a screenshot and I post it to my Instagram story and my Snapchat story. If you're like, how do I find your Instagram and Snapchat? It's Just Like Drew, the exact same way it is spelled on my YouTube channel down below this video. So it is really, really simple and easy. So you just respond to your YouTube notifications and from Just Like Drew, and that's all you need to know. So, and then once someone actually officially claims the prize, then I'll post their name, like this is the person who won the giveaway. But right now nobody's officially claimed it, so I don't know. It's just, it's nerve-wracking. I'm like, oh my God. Okay, so I have my man, Mr. John Wayne here, and I am going to cut into this box, and we're going to see what we got this month. Also, you guys are so stinking sweet. Like I told you guys that this is my birthday month, and I want to let you guys know, I used to have a P.O. box, so if you see a P.O. box in older videos, please do not send anything there. I had to actually close it down because they stopped giving me my mail. Like you guys remember, after I moved, I had this whole mail debacle. It didn't get better. Like, they straight up just stopped sending me mail, period. So, I don't do it anymore. All right, so, I have to get a new P.O. box, but I don't have one yet. I just canceled it because it was up for renewal, and I was like, I'm not paying for this anymore. So, when I get a new P.O. box, I will let you guys know what that is and where you can reach me. All right, so Macy's, let's get into this. Every single month, they have a kind of a cute bag. Most months, some months, it's kind of like whatever. And then they always have a little booklet that kind of tells you about all the items in your bag. I'm not looking at the cover because for some reason, they always put on the cover the items you get. All right, and this month they gave us a $5 off. So this is something I always tell people is like one of my favorite recent beauty hacks. You take this Macy's voucher card, and last month it was $10 off or for $5 off, whatever it is, and you can go on Macys.com website, and it's off of anything beauty related, and everything from Macy's Beauty ships for free. So you could get like $2, $3 face masks, pay $1 out of pocket because the 5 off works, and then you get free shipping. So that's my little life hack. I like getting face masks that way. Last month I got 5 Tony Moly masks for $12. I used the $10 off. I paid $2 for 5 Tony Moly masks. Okay, so this month is the bag. Oh, it says be your own beautiful. All right, I'm putting this down to the side so the box got like boxes on boxes over here. It's kind of like a burlap sack. It's very simple. We've never actually had anything like this simple from Macy's. It's kind of weird, but the bag definitely feels full though. I'm excited about that. All right, so on the outside, oh my gosh, Tony Moly Skin Purifying I'm Green Tea Sheet Mask. You know what's funny? I just got this mask in the mask I ordered, so this is gonna go right into the giveaway box. I literally just got this last month, so that's going in the giveaway box. Cool, first item going in the giveaway box. I'm excited. You know I love stocking the giveaway box up with skincare items and face masks because I'm a big person about taking care of the canvas underneath the makeup so that your makeup can look better when you wear it. All right, I'm trying to unwrap this tissue paper here. All right, so we have Schmidt's Rose and Vanilla Natural Deodorant. That's kind of weird. Not an item I expected in the box. Ooh. It's a little bit of a strong smell. I don't know how I feel about it. So I'm gonna actually put this in the giveaway box. I feel like somebody would probably really like this to try out. For me, the smell is a little intense. You guys know that I'm somebody who I'm very, very sensitive to smells, and so I probably won't use it. So rather than keep it and let it go to waste, I'm gonna put that in the giveaway box too. All right, so 2 for 2 so far for the giveaway box. All right, the next item we have is Face Coola Mineral Sunscreen with a matte finish. All right, so this is a matte tint BB cream sunscreen. I'm gonna keep this because I talked about this I think last month. I always have an issue with sunscreen. Oh, there's a thing on it. I was gonna try and show you if it has a color. This is my fault because you guys always tell me, you're like, you should use this and this to open it, and I'm like, no. It'll be fine. I don't need anything to help me open this. And then I always need something to help me open it. And then I'm always mad that I didn't listen to you guys. All right, so it's tinted. Ooh, definitely super tinted. So that's something I feel like you could probably add a little bit of a nice highlighter to, and then like make like a little all over face color, whatever thingy. All right, next item that we have is Wild Rose Advanced Brightening Sleeping Facial. All right, I've actually gotten this before. This is a sleeping mask. I love, 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 love this mask, and I'm gonna keep it because I actually really, really adore this, and I'm like, I think I'm running low on the other one, so I'm gonna keep this. This is an amazing, amazing item. All right, next item we have is Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream Brighten and Deep Puff. I've actually tried this a few times. I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box as well. And we got some Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream in a bunch of different shades from Bare Minerals. So I'm going to recap this box real quick. We got the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Cream there. We got the, I got my lipstick all over this. The Coola Matte Finish BB Cream Sunscreen, which I'm actually kind of excited to try that in the summertime. The Coors Wild Rose Sleep Mask, which I'm keeping. The Origins Ginseng Eye Cream, which is going in the giveaway box. The Rose and Vanilla Natural Deodorant, also going in the giveaway box. And we are putting in the Tony Moly I'm Green Tea Sheet Mask into the giveaway box as well. I'm throwing stuff because I'm like trying to get off my lap. All right, so this is the stockpile giveaway. As you can see, it is already growing pretty significantly after only 2 days. So that's actually all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be a part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, make sure to click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew around because anybody can be our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3 of box week, where we will hopefully be filling up our stockpile giveaway box even more. And real quick, if you're like, how would I win that box when it comes time to give it away? You gotta be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I'll give details after that. All right, talk to you soon. Love you. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. To the video. Yeah, and I just want to say, like, last month's box week I felt like was like the best we ever had. It was so much fun commenting with people and whatever, so I'm really excited for this month and what all the